Hello, beautiful soul, and welcome to this guided meditation that will help you feel into patience and trust that everything is unfolding perfectly, even when it feels and looks like it isn't. We are always in the process. Our lives are in the process of unfolding, and we are in the process of growth and transformation for as long as we live. The first step towards trust is gratitude and joy. If you can be sure and grounded in where you are now, then you can have trust in where you are going, because where won't really matter when the only where is here. So let's sink into that trust here today. I'm so glad you're here, dear one. If we haven't met yet, I'm Carolyn, spiritual mentor, and this channel is all about helping you still your mind and awaken your soul while using the healing energy of horses as our guide. Before we begin, dear one, let your eyes gaze over the images of the horses who will be coming along with you throughout this meditation. Let their soulful strength and their powerful presence wash over you. Feel yourself being bathed in a healing light that is calm, confident, peaceful, and present. Horses are prey animals. They must remain in the present moment, calm yet alert, in order to respond if or when it is needed. For them, there is no yesterday. There is no tomorrow. There is only right now. Let this wisdom of the horses merge with you now as you get yourself comfortable. Whether it's sitting or lying down, follow what feels good to you right now. And then whenever you're ready, gently allow your eyes to close. Take a deep breath in and slowly let it go. Let your body feel the gentle pull of gravity as you sit here, anchored in this moment. You don't need to put yourself here. You just need to let yourself be here. Let your breath, let your body be here. More and more. Relaxing more and more. Letting go more and more. Give yourself up to the forces of gravity, time, and space. Sit in the seat of this moment. Breathe with the rhythm of this moment. Just be this moment. Notice any tension in your body that wants to resist this moment and invite it to release, even just a little, and then a little more. Let the tension slip away. Not by force, but by invitation, by permission. By allowing what wants to happen. Your body wants to relax. Your body wants to receive all the pleasure of this moment. Your body wants to experience life right now. It doesn't want a post-dated check for some future moment that doesn't yet exist. It wants to be fully and deeply alive right now. Not tomorrow or the next day or the next week. You are alive right now, and so your body wants to come alive right now. Your mind is awake right now, and so your mind wants to awaken right now. The energy that is you vibrates right now. And so your essence wants to reverberate across every dimension right now. Let it. Let all of you be exactly what it wants right now. You are light and form and energy dancing together in this present moment, unfolding exactly as it did in the past to bring you exactly where you are right now. Love where you are right now, right here and now. Feel it. Feel how you are held and supported, and your body is alive, and your mind is awake, and your energy is aglow. Right now, feel where you are right now. Love where you are right now. Trust where you are right now. Let presence show you that trust is not something you need to look for, or work for, or fight for, or require proof of. when we sit in presence. When we feel the love that is presence, trust is already there. You are in the process of unfolding, one present moment after another, that unfolds into one day after another, that becomes 1 year after another. The unfolding is happening. Your effort is not required here. Your attention to this now and the next now and the now after that is all that is required of you. That you can trust. Allow the unfolding. Trust is already here, sitting with you in this present moment. Stay with it. Let it carry you into the future that unfolds from this love and this stillness and this support, this love here, right now. Take some final moments here to sit in the process of one moment unfolding with ease and care into the next, as one breath unfolds with softness and gentleness into the next one. And let your whole body take comfort in that process. And then whenever you're ready, come back to the room and gently open your eyes. I hope this meditation helped you surrender and let go of any judgment around where you should be or how it should look, so that you can really enjoy where you are right now and trust that where you're going will be just as beautiful as here and now. Please let me know in the comments if it was supportive for you. It really does mean so much to me to hear from you. And if you'd like to go deeper with getting out of your head and back into your heart, then I invite you to take advantage of my free 3-day mini course, Master Your Energy. You can click on the link in the description. And as always, if you received any benefit from this meditation, please show it some love by clicking like and subscribe, as this really helps me create more of them for you. Thank you so much for listening, dear one. Have a beautiful day.